Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Wok Tok Cup Noodles. First, gather your Wok Tok Cup Noodles and a kettle for boiling water. You will also need a fork or chopsticks ready for eating your delicious meal. Make sure you have a stable, flat surface available for preparation. This initial setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable noodle-making experience, getting everything ready before you begin the cooking process. It's all about preparation for the perfect meal. Next, you will need to boil some water. Fill your kettle with approximately 2 cups of fresh water and bring it to a rolling boil. While the water is heating, carefully peel back the lid of your Wok Tok Cup Noodles. Be sure not to remove it completely. Then, take out all the seasoning sachets found inside the cup. These will be added in the next step to infuse your noodles with their signature flavor. Now it is time to add the flavor. Empty all the contents of the seasoning sachets directly into the cup with the noodles. Once your water has boiled, carefully pour the hot water into the cup, filling it precisely up to the designated fill line. Use your fork or chopsticks to gently stir the noodles and seasoning, ensuring everything is well combined for maximum taste. This step is crucial for a flavorful experience. Finally, the moment you have been waiting for. Close the lid back onto the cup and let the noodles steep for exactly 3 minutes. This allows the noodles to cook perfectly and absorb all the delicious flavors. After 3 minutes, open the lid and give your noodles a thorough stir with your fork or chopsticks. Your delicious Wok Tok Cup Noodles are now perfectly prepared and ready for you to enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.